on, guys? It's Red954 and today I'm going to be doing another supply drop unboxing. This time I'm going to be doing rare, so let's go ahead and get into it. So let's go the first one. Ooh, epic, rare, common. The storm camo was actually pretty good. So let's go ahead and do another. Common. Ooh. Actually it's pretty good. So let's try again. I never used the Seraph really, or the Locust, but let's go for another one. Reaper, could use it. Ooh, that actually looks pretty good. Might have to end up using that. Two more. Ooh. One more, final one, and then go back to common. I have a lot of guns of storm camo.
Only the best for the best.
So let's go to common.
Let's see what we get.
So one rare, common, common. Let's do another one. Rare, common, 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 and then final one. Common. Alright, so we got a few more, so let's do the one. Common, legendary, rare. I actually have never used that one, so let's try again. Common, rare, common. Okay, and then one more common supply drop. Common,